Y'all, welcome back to the Yisrael Family Homestead. Today we're in the garden. We about to refill our worm bins that we have in these beds out here. And we're gonna do a little harvesting probably on those collard greens over here. But I'm gonna show y'all that. Come on, King. We got kiddos out here. We gotta check. I only got 3 worm bins and 3 of the beds. So we about to check them and fill them with some kitchen scraps. Let's see, I got a couple of kitchen scraps, some banana peels and stuff. That we need to cut up. I got small worm bins in here too. You see the roots are going over there to the worm bin. I hate that I break those roots up when I might not do it. Pull that out. I don't know what that is growing in there.
It's probably a potato.
Okay, that's fine. I'm trying to find no worms down in there, y'all. I know they down there. Look at her. Oh, yeah, that potato. Can y'all see no worms in there?
Where?
There's no sign right there. Yeah, this is fun. What I'm going to do is just put some in there.
I'm finna get sick out here.
I don't know what them is. Well, there's some roots and stuff in there.
No, do you have an umbrella?
But I got some kitchen scraps here. This is just like some spinach and cut up bananas, peels and stuff that we're gonna put in here. Cause I'm gonna put dirt back on top of it, baby. Remember?
Okay.
They like all that good stuff.
Mom, I'm getting cooked like chicken.
You getting cooked like? She said she getting cooked like chicken.
Boy, if you don't.
And I got some dirt right here. I'm gonna put back on top of them. Actually, there's some compost dirt out. Some compost, just to cover up that food that's in there.
Just to cover it.
So I ain't gotta. All right, kid, you gotta cover it back up, baby.
God, the sun.
Oh yeah, the sun.
Over here is shady.
Okay, that's enough. Cover it back up, King. All right. All right. Gotcha.
Push that down.
Okay, Kira, take this to the next one. Oh, why I didn't know I was stepping on a plant down here. Y'all didn't even know it was out of the bed like that. These watermelons and cucumbers. I mean, not cucumbers, but cantaloupes.
And Mom, look.
And I done stepped on it. It's running all out the bed.
Mom, we got some watermelon deals.
And there's cantaloupes and watermelons in this bed, y'all. So, all right, y'all, we on the squash bin now. And some other stuff up in here. They don't look like they doing too good. Yeah, see, that ain't.
That's not good.
Get the thing. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put my egg stuff in here.
It's already got egg stuff in it.
I know it's still got some in there, huh? Oh yeah, there's some in there. I see. Alright, can you just dump some food in there? Ooh, watch out, Kenny.
Now you scared of dirt now?
No, I ain't scared of dirt. It's the smell. I'm gonna fill this one up because it's low in dirt anyway.
Daddy, why would you say that?
Because he gotta be so different. Okay, put the top back on it.
That will be.
We got one more bin, y'all, to fill up. This one we rigged up there. Alright, let's go to the next one. The other bed we got for the cucumbers. We got some cucumbers growing on here. Well, I already done harvested a couple of these cucumbers off, and these are okra right here. All down here, they just plant. I mean, growing. Here go one little cucumber right here growing from there. There's some more up there. I just can't get all of it. But is it something up in there?
Yep.
Oh, there's some hanging from right now. Let me look in this worm right here.
I can see me taking this.
Okay, can you just put the food in there? I'm gonna just put the dirt on top of it.
What? Stop it.
You might put a little bit more in there. Put the rest
Oh, baby,
That's good. All right, close that back up. And we'll put that in our other worm bin. Here go our other little, our major worm bin. And look at all these eggs falling up in here. Get the scooper, King. Kira, hold this up. Hold this
Why
up.
are they trying to make a dare?
Let me see. Let me scoop it.
I think it's for them.
What we do is just dig a little hole down up in here. Ooh, they all.
How are they not unaffected?
Oh, shoot, they scared me.
But there's a worm all the way up here.
Okay.
And right here. Yeah. Hey, and there's a one right here. And up here. And right here. Slide the doo-doo.
Oh, they loaded over here, y'all. They ready. That's why I be putting all the food in on this side. They got babies all in here. I still got some food in there.
How did the ants get here?
I don't know how the eggs get in here, but they don't be eating the worms and nothing like that.
Unless they die.
I'm trying to knock them off. Okay, can you get the bucket, pour all this stuff in?
The worm's gonna eat this.
Let me see.
Yeah, just help me. I'm gonna get out. Missing my I.A.G.
Just dump it all down in that hole right there.
Missing my I.A.G. Help me. Missing my I.A.G.
Take your hand and right there out and pop it out. Yeah.
That looks disgusting.
They gonna tear that up, right? You throw that in the trash, and all you gotta do is cover it back up. I just really use the worms and put them in the garden. And
My fish is not dirty. You heard some good worm casket, y'all. That's what cow poop and worm casket. No, this is cow poop. This is worm.
All right, y'all close it back down.
No, this is cat poop.
Close it back.
Worm
Yeah, y'all, we just keep it covered up with some plastic, so.
Can you do it, yeah, this?
All right, guys, we about to let the kids harvest some of these collard greens. They still young and tender. I don't like them too tough. All right, y'all. Well, they got a few of them now. This is what he over here doing. Shuck corn, but you got stuff all in your hair. You can't eat that corn. See what he doing? Look at you. You can tell about that corn over
I got this
there.
part.
Look, Kira, look. Here goes some of all these right here. Get those.
Mommy, I got this part.
You got that one right, King? Okay. There's some more in here. Cut some more of them off in there. Show y'all my let me show y'all these peppers over here. Oh no, I got some peppers right here too. I got some jalapeno peppers right here. Y'all can see them.
There's a lot of
Jalapeno peppers, and over here we got some cayenne peppers. I'm waiting on them to turn red. Look at that falling. And my tomatoes, I don't know what they doing. Someone turning red over there, but it look like someone eating them up. Ooh.
Are you okay?
And then I got some beets growing in here with some carrots. All these carrots, they just keep getting knocked down. And there's Brussels sprouts in here too, but you see what they doing. They had got ate up by worms or something. At one moment, they got ate all up, and then they started growing back. But they struggling. And then my beets. Yeah, I say, cause look, when I planted them seeds, I couldn't see them so I just dropped them in the hole, so they produced a lot, and I didn't pull them out, so that's why it's all growing like that. No, don't take those. Oh yeah, that's look like a good one right there. Nice and tender. What you got, Kira? All right, put them in the bowl.
I was trying to
Okay, not those, baby. Not those. Those are cabbages, not those. Just this first row right. Just this row right here. Look at you. Look at that.
Whole bunch of corn.
Look, just don't do the middle row, y'all. Just this outside row.
You like?
I'm trying to get enough to cook. And here go my other peppers over here. I got bell peppers and jalapenos over here. I ain't getting that on the bell peppers yet, but I do got some jalapenos on this one too right here.
Damn!
A couple of them on there. Then we got some little bitty ones right in there growing. And some little ones right there if y'all can see them. Oh, here go a nice one here. That's a nice one there. But my bell peppers, they ain't coming in yet. I see some little ones, I guess, or some little flowers or something.
Yeah.
And over here, I got some peas I gotta get out here. Harvest a few of them peas off of that one. When we get over here. Huh? Yeah. We got some peas over here we gotta harvest too, y'all. Oh yeah, those look good, Ken.
Guys, comment and like and subscribe on this video if you like your vegetables. You should always eat your vegetables.
All right, guys, I harvested a little dill that I had. Y'all can see that dill. I just be trying to remember how to harvest certain stuff. I hope I did it right. Oh, it's a bug on that. I thought I seen a bug or something in there. Oh yeah, I do see a bug on here. But I'm gonna wash them off when we go in the house.
This is
got
beautiful.
dills and collard greens, and I done got to get some of these peas off. It ain't that many, but it's a few. Here you go, Kira. Pull those off. Hold the plant and pull it off. The big one. This one can come off.
Guys, look at our peas.
Okay,
Nice
pull them off, Kira. Hold the plant and pull it. You should have to cut. I got one down here. That's why I said hold the plant. Look what I done did. Pull the whole leaf off the damn thing. Trying to tell them how to do it.
I can't get it out.
Okay. Hold on, let me try to get it. I mean. Okay.
Oh, and he scores. What up? She dunks.
Alright, go down. Go down, guys.
Please, I see you.
There's a little squash right there.
Noise.
I already harvested a little A squash. So.
Noise.
Alright, here goes some right here, Kira.
Yeah,
right now.
Oh, this is a piece.
Don't knock the flowers off, y'all, because that's what some more gonna produce it from. Don't knock the flowers
Oh
off.
my God, this is. Are you please? Are you hiding?
And then we got some broccoli in here, but the worms had ate that up before. As you can see, they done ate it up again. So I just.
Tell your son to don't pick them.
Side, watch out, baby. Don't get them.
He's giving me the heebie-jeebies.
Yeah, I don't put no spiders in here now.
The
I see a
heebie-jeebies.
spider in here too.
Oh, okay.
Okay, he can put those in there.
Top.
That's fine. Watch out.
What is this?
Okay, go down some.
It looks like it.
Move down. Move. Can you put the bowl on the other side of you, King?
Ow.
I'll just make sure we got everything over here. Okay. And see, y'all see how they leaning all out the bed? They ain't gonna rain and wind be doing that. I just can't keep them up. Let me see. Kira, watch out, baby. There's some right here. There's a few on that one. Oh, just get that one, Kira. And hold it, and probably that one below it.
Oh, shit. So, sir, how you like the stuff that we had?
Get that one too. Get that one.
Yeah, all this stuff.
All right, Kira. That's it?
Nope.
Nah, leave that one. It's still growing.
The
Don't
lid
pull it.
just fell off by itself, and I'm literally holding it. The peas.
Okay. All right. Put it in the bucket. I mean, in the bowl. Put it in the bowl. All right, get the bowl.
Making sure that we all do.
Let me get this grass out of here. Everything should be growing in here. They don't supposed to be in here. Yeah, that was the last one that we
Look at these delicious greens. Now we're going to the house.
Yes. I'll probably come out tomorrow or this weekend and harvest some more because I know we're going to have some cucumbers ready to come out of here.
Oh, show them the cucumbers.
Yeah, I showed them already.
My son did this.
But
My son did this. I don't know what this is.
I'm waiting for some of these okra to get ready. Yeah, I showed them that one.
And that one?
Yeah, because I done harvest.
Last year, those okra.
I done harvest quite a bunch of cucumbers out of here because I done made some fermented pickles with those. I got them sitting right now, guys. Oh yeah, there's one up there.
Guys, last year.
Over here, I got some more dill growing right here, and some dandelions, some mullein, and I think this is hyssop. But I'm thinking this might gonna be a tree. It looked like it. And some holy basil right here. And these two, I forget, and some sage, but this, I forgot what was, stuff that just started growing up in here. And this is a plant, I ain't even plant this one here or that one, so I'm pulling that up today. I don't even know what they are, but I'm pulling it out of the garden, bed. Over here, stuff just growing. This was supposed to be strawberries and blackberries, but I planted them twice, they never came up. And other stuff just started going in there. Well, you don't eat them. You don't see. I'm gonna give you a plate full of them. Come on. Huh.
Me too.
Alright, y'all. I guess we're gonna get out of here. Y'all seen a little harvest. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all share the video. Let us know some tips and some things that we could have done differently. And so we could have had a better garden. My cucumbers, they just doing whatever. But this is my first year doing a garden like this, so it's an experience, a learning experience for us. So yeah, I'm trying to teach the kids on some stuff.
Yo, so come on.